Guys, like and
Ayan,
subscribe. My
oh.
heart, my feet is hurting. Come on, please. I'm waiting. Come on, please. Hold me folded hands.
Thank you, Master. You were teaching me Kung Fu with chores. I won. You're a
Naman ako,
master now.
love mo naman ako.
That's
Kawa
awesome.
naman ako.
Thank you,
Give
guys.
mo 1,000 likes ako.
Finally, we did it. Yeah.
Papakita ko talaga sa amin. Hindi mo alam ba't ako kakasugat sa ako. Kasi, tumutlo ako sa swimming. At hindi ko papakita sa klase ko. Secret. Ano kasi,
No problem. Have as much as you want.
nakasasabihin nila ba't may sugat ka. Hindi na kita best friend. Sasabihin nila ata yun. Ang sakit-sakit to. Kasi kasi tumakbo ko at natama sa sa upuan. Nagganito o nagganon.
When are you gonna teach me Kung Fu?
Sakit.
I already taught
Nagma
you
naman
everything.
ako.